So my lyrics spent a long time waiting for you, and then you push me away. Painkillers for breakfast, I ain't feeling the day. I'm fucking geeked up, but I tell her
Hello everyone. My name is Aman and welcome to the channel. So today we will be dealing with the long of questions of January. Okay. So how many questions of division 3 basically. I was in division 3. So first we will dealing with the chief and division 3 question. Okay, so that's the first question. So let's start again. Sorry. So this is the question, right? So in this question, the question is simple, really simple. So the question is about there are some nominators, there are some chef helper who is making a list of question, okay? In a list of questions, each person is making some question, like an array, okay? We will take that input in array. And now in D days, like, okay, so they are taking making a question, okay? So they are given D days, like in 30 days, take as example, how many question can be solved, how many question can be solved when in one contest something is required, like take in one contest five questions should be required, okay? And in 30 days total time, how many contests can be done? This is basically a question and nothing else, okay? So in this question, take as example, like the first this is the list of array that how many that persons are that nominators of chef is building the question. So in first, like, take it makes five question, one question, two question, four question, three questions. So there are total three to five, there are total five persons of nominators, like a helper or servant you take, and he's making a list of question, and in one contest total five questions can be delivered, can be used, and in 30 days how many contests can be organized? This is basically the question, okay? Got it? So this is simple, okay? So now let me take you direct to the solution so that you can easily understand. There's basically three cases and we will be dealing with those only, okay? So just over here there's a solution. I had just make it easy for you to grasp, okay? So first we will take input, simple, and you can use your own for the define has to define for better, like for better use and for speed. I just made this loop is for that simple for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, okay? And already I have defined the I over here and over here, so we will be direct taking it scene. But in this case, I'm also taking with the scene, I'm also making a sum, like how many question is being solved, how many question had prepared by those nominators of chef, okay? So total questions, how many questions being made by those, okay? So now moving toward the solution, this is the solution, okay? This all are solutions. So first condition is that, let me take green, okay? So first solution question is about if the sum is less than k, like in one contest total five question is required, okay? Take an example, in one question in one contest five question is required, but all the makers are making only three questions, like total sum. So contest is never going to be organized, because if I needed five roti for eating and I didn't get I just get three, I didn't eat, I just throw it up, like the same. It's not, I will not throw it up, just same. So this is something. So over here the zero answer would be 0. So k would be that in one contest how many questions would be there, sum would be total questions. Okay, so this is completed. Okay, now second condition would be, just erase this thing, these things. Okay, just erase these things. So the question is, now sorry, now the thing is, so first we had cleared these this one. Okay, second case is if sum is equal to k. So if I'm making five questions, the nominators are making five questions, and in one contest five questions should to be there. So the all questions should be consumed in one day, right? So the answer would be 1. If the sum is going to be same as the amount of question required in one contest, then it is going to be same. So over here, if sum is equal to k, basically, then answer would be 1. Got it? Simple. Now the main engine is going to be there. Okay, the main engine would be this. So now we are in this case we are taking p as a variable, and in p we are assigning sum by k. Okay, sum by k means we are making a chances how many contests can be organized, and we are assigning those how many contests. P is equal to number of contests. Okay, contest. P is equal to number of contests. So we just divided it by 4. We can't take model. We will divide it by that, and we get to know that if there is a, so we get to know that how many we can organize, our ability to organize. Okay, now we are checking that is that P, like I can organize 5 contests. Take it as I can organize 5 contests. So I will check is there 5 days is there or not. 5 दिन तो होने चाहिए ना 5 और कॉन्टेस्ट को ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए. तो अगर बराबर हुआ या फिर बड़ा हुआ, if it's going to be big or small, then we just print if 5 contests should be there. Okay, and if it is 5 is less than or equal to d, so we're directly going to put out the p, like the number of contests. Okay, so like take as example this total 30 days. Okay, and I can organize 20 concepts whole मेरे पास इतने, I have that whole stock of 20 days only, so we can easily organize because we have already free days, so we can organize 20 contests. So the answer would be direct p. But if that p should be greater than d, means we have bundle of, we can organize 100 contests, we have 100 of questions, but total day is 30. It means that we can only organize 30 contests, and in that case we should answer d. This is the test cases. Okay, and your solution is up. So I think you got